Packing a healthy lunch. Mastering morning routines. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to focus on an important part of your morning routine, packing a lunch or snack for the day. This is a vital part of the day for many people, especially if you're going to school or work. We'll be exploring different phrases, vocabulary, and common conversational structures that you can use when discussing this topic. Let's dive in. Before we start constructing sentences, let's familiarize ourselves with some useful words and phrases related to packing a lunch. Lunchbox, a container used to carry meals. Meal prep, the act of preparing meals ahead of time. Nutritious, food that is good for health, full of vitamins and minerals. Snacks, small amounts of food eaten between meals. Ingredients, the food items that make up a dish. Balanced diet, a diet that includes the right quantities and varieties of food. Remember, a strong vocabulary can make your English more rich and expressive. Now, let's learn some sentences and phrases that you might use when discussing packing a lunch. 1. I am packing a lunch for work, school. This is a simple and direct way to tell someone what you're doing. 2. I'm preparing a nutritious meal for my lunch. This sentence not only says that you're packing a lunch, but also emphasizes the healthfulness of the meal. 3. I enjoy meal prepping on Sundays for the entire week. This indicates you prepare your meals in advance for the week, which is a common practice for many people. 4. I like to pack a variety of snacks in my lunchbox. Here, you're telling someone that you enjoy having different snacks in your lunch. Try to practice these sentences, and don't forget to replace the details with your own information. It's always helpful to see our vocabulary and sentences in action. Here's a short dialogue example. Person A. What are you doing? Person B. I am packing a lunch for work. Person A. What are you packing? Person B. I'm preparing a nutritious meal with a balanced diet in mind. I also like to pack a variety of snacks in my lunchbox. And that wraps up our lesson on talking about packing a lunch in English. Remember to practice using the new vocabulary and sentences we learned today. Regular practice is the key to mastering conversational English. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Keep practicing and see you in our next video.